Hey guys, I'm here at VidCon 2018, and what we're gonna do is go through the convention center and we're gonna grab all the free candy and stuff they give us. And we're gonna make something special. We gotta see what we're gonna make. I don't know what we're gonna make yet, but I know they have cotton candy. I know they have some fun candies. So we're gonna put it all together and make a recipe using only free stuff I get from VidCon.
Free gumballs.
Check this out, we get free gumballs.
So the big thing is right now is turning the pot.
Sponsored by Invisalign. Rot your teeth and come to us.
So, let's see. They have both sides, because I have to get some of this colored popcorn, but this is definitely a must. Oh wow, that's a lot. Some pink ones maybe? Oh, I don't want a lot. That's gumballs. Oh.
That?
Blue, a little bit of blue. Not that a little bit, but I want a little bit of that. Okay, that's good, that's good.
Oh, I see, it's on the other side.
On the other side too.
Yeah. I didn't know that, yeah. I was wondering why those were, I was wondering why they were reversed, like.
I'll just set that right there. I think it'll be fine. Oh, that was gumballs in there. Didn't want gumballs. Here, well, I'll come back to that. I was expecting, let's skip the popcorn anyway. We'll go, oh, we gotta do some of this. I'm really thinking not so much gum, but we'll go with candy here. Ah, jam, we'll get something else. We'll get something else. Oh yeah, this pink stuff is colorful.
Ooh, that looks good.
We'll get it eventually. To cheat. How about that?
There you go.
Have to cheat sometimes.
This is like Mike and Ike's?
Yeah, it looks like Mike and Ike's. Mike and Ike's.
Do you ever have sours? They're sour Mike and Ike's. They're the greatest things ever. They're real hard to find though.
They fake us out. Look, look, this is what we got out of there. But look, they're faking us out. Oh, they did that over there too. That's why I got these gumballs. Oh, fake out. We thought we were getting Mike and Ike's. Okay guys, so we're going to get some Gushers. The Gusher stand has some free Gushers, I hope. Oh no, are they out of Gushers? Oh no. Are you out of Gushers? But these are really cool. Oh, look guys, look.
You gotta give it to FunFoods YT.
We're gonna be making something with Gushers.
Exclusive,
look at that, exclusive. We got some Gushers. Look at that, I just wanted the Gushers.
Yeah.
You gotta play all 6 games in order to get your Gushers.
Yeah, exactly.
Remember broccoli cheese rapture?
Yeah, I love your cookie.
This is James.
Yes,
Hi, James.
Nice to meet you. Granny Potty Mouth, we are filming
What did you
exclusive.
do to your voice?
Yeah, thank you. No, exclusive.
What have you got in there?
We are stocking up on free candy from VidCon, and I'm gonna put it all together in a recipe. What do you think? Everything I get free? Sugar! Granny, Granny Potty Mouth, go check her out if you're mature enough to handle it. I'll put a link in the description below. She's awesome. Gotta check her out. Sugar! Okay, so the next booth here is this Shreds. It's like cereal, so we're gonna get that and use that in the recipe too. So here we go, let's do it. She doesn't want to be on camera. That's all.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
We will blur her face.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Just put a shred in front of
all
it.
good.
No, I'm not.
You're an actress. It's all good. We won't use your face, don't worry. But yeah, so we're gonna use this in our recipe too, which is gonna be really fun.
Wow.
All right, so here we go.
That's what you need for your. You need that as like a little,
Look,
prop.
it comes out much bigger. So next we're getting ready to get the cotton candy, which you just saw. and it's the Sugar Boogers booth. That's pretty interesting. So that's going to be the base, I think, for this recipe. We'll figure it out at the end, but we got to get some cotton candy for sure. That's the dog.
Aw.
That is different.
Are you sure?
Not the same one.
That looks like a little plush too. I got it. That adorable. My heart's just melting of adorbs. Cuteness overload. Look at that little dog. Oh my god.
The cotton candy we're going to use for this recipe.
$2 and you get a
Woo, cotton candy.
Oh my.
Never mind.
Carson, there he is. Carson! Cody
Doing a
Churro.
little, collecting all the food I can get,
heck yeah,
and
cool.
we're going to make something out of it.
Sweet.
You're good, seriously.
Alright guys, so the next thing I'm going to get for this is some Three Musketeers, mini Three Musketeers. Why don't you help me out there, Matt?
Yeah, you got it.
A couple of them.
Like the claw, ready? And... Oh, sorry, James. No way, we'll get some. It's rigged.
There you go. You're going to put it in there with that so I can count it. So yeah, Three Musketeers is going to be the last part of our recipe. We're going to go outside and construct this thing in front of everyone and see if I can make a giant ball of candy.
That's all it matters.
Okay, so we're just going to find a place to construct our recipe here. And what should I make, guys? Come on, comment below, let me know. Of course, it'll be too late because this isn't live.
Right. Guess what you're gonna
Guess
make.
what I'm gonna make
right
here.
now. No cheating.
No cheating. Guess what I'm going to make? So,
I think it's gonna be similar to the cotton candy burrito, but even better.
okay guys, so we are gonna make a recipe today using only the stuff we got inside there at the convention center. And I got cotton candy. This is gonna be the base here. And we're gonna figure something out because why not? It's fun. So I'm already getting nice and messy. Let me just set that there for a moment. Open these up so I'll have things ready. And I'll open up a couple of these little things. And really working crazily here. But here we go. So voila, we're gonna open up our cotton candy here. Look at that. How about some gushers in there? Pop off some gushers. Yeah, why not? Some Three Musketeer minis. Pop those in there. Gotta have some of this candy I got over there, which is really cool. Whatever kind of candy that is. And here's some all colorful little candies, right? Why not? And then, oh yeah, we can't forget the cereal. Why not? Cereal with candy. We're gonna roll this up into a giant cotton candy ball. Crap. Oh, why not? We decorate it with some candy. So here we go, squish it up. Why not? Here we go, guys. This is self-made just from the free crap we got at VidCon. I know it doesn't look great, but why not? It's amazing. Want a bite? All right, guys, so we're gonna try this out. Our big ball of cotton candy with a whole bunch of candy inside. It's similar to my cotton candy burrito, which you can check out, of course, at the end of this. I'm just gonna take a big bite of it and get nice and sticky, right? We're here at VidCon. I got a chef jacket, I can just wipe my hands. So here we go.
Oh, you got some gushers in there. Oh, that looks really good.
Free stuff, baby.
What's it taste like?
Heaven.
Heaven.
Sugary heaven. With gushers and cereal. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make what I just created from VidCon. We didn't know what we were going to grab in there, but we made this cotton candy ball filled with a bunch of candy, even cereal, all kinds of fun stuff that you can get free here at VidCon. So I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you click that subscribe button, hit that big like button, and I will see you next time.